Today is the closing function of the Department of Transport, the road safety month that they have been observing from the 1st of January to the 31st of January. They are having the closing function at Khare Law College. We are here today just to create some awareness with regards to consumers who are using their cars and bikes. We are telling them to wear their seat belts. We are telling them to strap their helmets. I am very pleased to say that 80% of the people here are actually following the law. So they are wearing their helmets, but we found a lot of them are not putting their belts or straps, what you call, they are not strapping them, but they are wearing helmets. We have caught 2 people speaking on the phone while they were traveling, so we have told them they cannot do that. So we are just creating awareness here today.